Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is about taking care of your hair. So all the girls and boys out there are conscious about their hair. Everyone wants a good hair. Good hair doesn't mean you should have only volume. It's about having a softness and having straight hairs, and some want curly hairs, some want bouncy hairs. All such thing is not possible at a time. So everything must be done step by step, having a proper knowledge about it. And according to me, having a good hair or trying to make your hair good doesn't mean that you should wash your hair thrice a month. So you can't, like, when you get conscious about your and when you start caring, you can't try everything over and over. Like, once you are using a highly chemical shampoo, then you go all natural, then you do this, then you switch on shampoo, then you try different oil. All you have to do is use a coconut oil. According to me, a coconut oil is really helpful. Use a coconut oil, everything at a time. Like, you want straight hair, you want soft hairs, you want bouncy hairs. It's not possible. You should try step by step. The shampoo shouldn't be like really professional and like kind of really costly, or its price should be more and you can get healthy hairs and good hairs due to that. No, that's not the, like, we can't say that it helps. Never do spa and never go to parlors. Like, I'm too lazy for that. So according to me, using a proper hair oil time to time and remembering some few tips that are really important, which is wash your hair regularly. Try not to use highly chemical shampoo. Conditioning is also important. Don't use hair dryer, and you should dry your hairs naturally. Oiling is must. It doesn't mean that you should oil your hair and you can wash it whenever you want. Oil your hair night before washing. Stop using hair curler, straightener. For, like, you can naturally do such things. There are many videos out there on YouTube that helps to naturally curl your hair. So don't, like, please do avoid those stuffs. Like, according to me, if you want to have good hairs, it doesn't mean you should wash thrice a week. I wash my hair like once a week. Trim hair regularly, drink water, and something which can more help you is like eat healthy, which is not possible. I know many of us don't like to eat healthy and we love junk food. I myself love junk food. I have heard people want volume in their hair and they want softness, they want everything at a time, but it is not possible. If you step by step go on through such steps, you might get help in making your hair look good. So that's it for the day. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helps. Bye bye.